Okay, darling.
Okay, roll in.
Take that, take that. You never take me alive, you never take me alive. Alright people, here we are. Obviously I've got my camo gear on because I'm playing paintball with my paintball camouflage Stone Island Supreme trousers. Pretty nice, aren't they? And from the same drop, I've got the Balaclava and these goggles, and it's important, as you'll know, to have your goggles on when you're playing paintball because nobody wants a nasty incident like PJ and Duncan in Biker Grove. If you don't know what I mean, you might have heard of Ant and Deck anyway. So listen, here's the full fit, looking a bit mad, isn't it? These goggles, bloody hell, can't see a thing out of them, all steamed up and that. Balaclava glows in the dark, I tried that the other night, that is hilarious. And then one of the old ones, because I couldn't pick up any other bits, reflective, got this off eBay, nice isn't it? And anyway, these trousers, got to show you a bit of these in the detail because bloody hell, they've got loads going on. Anyway, this place is crawling with bogies, so let me just wipe out a few people and then we'll come back and do some details. Alright, here we go. Take cover. Get some, get some, get some, get some. What are you doing here? Get cover, let's go. Alright, here we are then, right at the top. So, got the white Balaclava, Stone Island Supreme 2019-20 or 2020-21-20, don't know, it's year 2020, whatever. And then I've got the goggles on, assuming they're for paintballing because it came with paintballing trousers and whatever. But at the same time, they steam up like hell, so no good for that. Probably better for on the slopes, isn't it? If you're snowboarding, pop this on, pop the Balaclava on. That's going to keep you nice and toasty. Absolutely love this stuff. Wasn't sure, but these goggles come in a beautiful branded box and a little nice draw cord bag, which is pretty special. On the side here, got a nice bit of branding, and then they've got a leather bit here. I think it's leather, with Supreme on there too. These are black ones, they did white as well, but I knew I was getting the white Balaclava, fancied that more than the black, and so thought that would match better. What do you guys think? Anyway, the Balaclava, pretty nice, isn't it? It glows up. I don't know if you've ever had Stone Island stuff before that's got a luminescent cotton or thread through it, but it pops off. It's like someone's just like, when the lights go out, flick on a light bulb and boom, the whole head lights up. Pretty mad it is. Difficult to capture on the camera, but anyway, if you get your hands on one of these, and I might be doing a giveaway on one of them. Anyway, talking of giveaways, have a look at my Ciroc vodka Palace giveaway that I'm doing on this video right here, or if you're on Instagram, I'll put a link somewhere else. Just have a look on the channel, it's there. Running till the 18th of December, so you better get on that. Anyway, speaking of which, got this beautiful Balaclava on, and it's got a nice patch program. That's okay, always like a bit of patch program. And obviously you've got here some details which might, you know, see a little bit. You see a lot more when it's popping off at night time. Very nice. So yeah, this is the fit. I mean, if I can get these goggles from not steaming up so much, I'll definitely wear them on the slope. Hopefully they're UV protected. Better check that. No good for swimming. There's no seal on them. Assume they're just here for protecting you from the sun. And also like paintballs or whatever. So anyway, that's this bit. Let's pop down and have a little look at the jumper. Just a little quick look. And then we'll move on to the trousers. That's it. See you down there. Alright people, then we've had a look at the top half of the fit. Moving on down. A bit like M people, isn't it? Moving on up. This is moving on down. Here we go. So we've got the Supreme Stone Island reflective logo. I'm not going to go too much into this because it isn't this season's, but it is very nice. It's like a Puma cotton. Don't know, I'll put it in the description because once again I've probably got the way of saying it wrong. Anyway, that's nice, isn't it? Black, reflective, goes with the buttons, as Becky pointed out. Thank you, Becky. So as we're keeping on going down here, we're into the trousers, and showing the lights not popping off as much, but we've got some lovely close-ups that you can have a look at in a second, and you'll see those, and you'll really see the pattern on there is absolutely bananas, isn't it? Oranges and bananas, plums a bit as well. pretty much lots of different colours really, isn't it? These are the ones, I mean there was 3 colours, there was the blues, there was the blacks. Obviously the oranges are the ones to go for because they pop off more. If you're going to wear something like this, make sure that people can see that you're wearing them. It's just not like all very subtle. What's the point of that when you're going to go to something like this? Anyway, so these pair are trousers, Coolum trousers. They're like so thin, there's nothing, so I've got them over the top of a pair of jeans because unless you're wearing them in summer, and even then, wonder how breathable they are, they'd be pretty sweaty. They're pretty useless. I don't really know. I mean, it's just all about the print and the graphic and the fact that it's a Supreme and Stone Island collaboration, or the rest of it. Nice touch on here though, obviously. The badge is all splattered. A bit like if my kids got hold of it when they're doing a painting session. So that's all quite nice, isn't it? And then they got cargo Velcro pockets like that. Quite nice to see the natural colour underneath. Obviously the whole dyeing technique that Stone Island do, we all know about it, we all know it's top notch, and you know, that sort of effect is beautiful. It's got these flap over pockets, they are lined, well done. So kind of makes me think that this is for like an autumn spring wear style. Keeps my hands actually quite nice and warm. I mean, it's the only part of my body that is going to be warm if I'm wearing these because like I say, they're so thin. Not sure about front flaps like that. They do this on a lot of their cargos and trousers. It's a bit annoying because if I just want to every now and again put my hands in pockets, I don't want to have to undo a button every single time. So I'm not sure about that. Obviously useful to keep stuff from falling out. So that's those pockets. And then have a look at the rear, so to speak. We've got 2 rear pockets, velcroed there. Very nice. And check, yeah, they're lined, nice. And then here you've got obviously the Supreme Stone Island logo. So that's pretty nice too, isn't it? Nothing on here, just a single cargo on that side. Does have quite a nice little touch. Obviously they are designed to be slipping on and off over the top of things because they've got this Freedom zip here. But do you know what? I've got a pair like this. Probably slightly better material, made by Columbia, and it's got a button here which is a bit nicer because then you don't have the zip sort of flapping around and don't have this bit flapping around. You just think like something like Columbia, I guess they're a sportswear, well this is supposed to be CP sportswear in it as well. I think they'd think about something like that. Anyway, on the underside of this it is felted, well not felted, like I don't know, got the same sort of lining feeling as it has in the pockets, elasticated so they keep them nice and tight. But yeah, they're kind of nice. They're nice, but I mean it's a lot of coin, isn't it, for just something so thin. Yeah, you've got to be rolling it in a bit, I think, to be pulling these off. Round the waist, thinking of pulling, these have got a drawstring. It's slightly elasticated, but it's mostly controlled by this drawstring here. So that's that. So that's a pretty quick overview of your paintballing trousers. Tell me what you think. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're just watching this unsubscribed. You subscribe, you get all of the excellent content I'm producing here with Becky and all the rest of it. And that's all it is to say. It's just like, look after yourselves. Christmas is coming. Hopefully we'll get some cold weather, so I can wear this balaclava a little bit more, especially at night time, so it can pop off. Absolutely love it. All right then, much love people. You all take care, yeah? See you later. Where's my gun? Where's my gun? They're coming, they're coming.